Hello everyone, this is Eric Redjet 505. So this thing is kind of a video, big warning. Please pay attention what's going on. You all guys all know I have different rifle and I ordered this specific rifle a year ago. No matter what the name of the store, but a year ago I ordered this another rifle to have in 300 PRC. And now, like the last couple months, I keep getting, runarounds from the company. Actually, it's called Legacy USA. Is the company that actually delivering those HOWA rifles to the dealers. And what's going on is this. So let's go before they're actually gonna remove it because I just was on the phone with them. Right here, it say that you can get this rifle chambered in a 6.5 PRC and a 300 PRC. It would be very cool if they would actually made it. But it seems to be that each time they give me a different story. That first, that the magazine was a bad magazine and it could not fit right in the rifle and the bullet will not move in smoothly. Then they claim that the chamber was bad. Okay, so far so good. Then today when I talked to them, they claim that they need a new chassis completely because the chassis that they made were bad. So far, magazine, chamber, chamber of the barrel, and the chassis all not working for them. Now, each time that I called and asked what's going on, where is my rifle, they were giving me a different story about something else that they taking care of and it's gonna be ready to ship in couple days. For a year now, they're saying it's gonna be ready to ship for a couple days. Now, for all of you guys that want to tell me COVID-19, my ass COVID-19, okay? This is order before the COVID-19. The stories that they're giving people is just being ridiculous. I have a lot of OR rifle and I think that's it. I'm done dealing with them. Usually the rifle that I have from them are very cool. I ordered this because it's like kind of a American flag chassis, and everything that they put in the specs over here was supposed to be actually pretty nice, but it's not, because it's not really exist. So if you ordered any of the TSPX in a 300 PRC or any other chamber, go get your money back. Those things are not coming. Especially the 300 PRC. The guy tell me, we were never making those one in 300 PRC. And I said, can I talk to your manager? And I want to confirm it with the manager. Oh, my manager cannot talk to you right now. This is the answer that I just got. So, I placed an order a year ago. Now, I need to see, like, even if I'm gonna get my money back from the store that I placed the order with, because it's a very big problem when you purchase something a year ago that they tell you every month it's gonna be here in 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 months, and keep pulling you and pulling you and pulling you, just to tell you at the end, this did not really exist. We tried to make it, we could not, so now it's not exist. And I'm showing you good stuff about rifle and a bad stuff, and this is a bad warning, because if a company cannot back up their own product and cannot actually have something that work, and it's say designed, manufactured, tested in Australia. So wait. If it's tested, how come you tell me right now that it's failed after you already selling it to people? And this is pretty stupid, because there is 0 people that have this rifle. It's not really exist. So they create something really cool, put it in a nice background that not really working, not really exist. There's not really this aluminum chassis. It's just not exist. Okay? Please pay attention if you order any of those TSPX chassis. Go get your money back. This is I think this is kind of the biggest ripoff ever. To charge people for something that not exists, it's not coming, and nobody even bother telling you what's going on with it. And no, this is not how should the gun industry be. You order something, you paid for it, and you're never gonna get it. Like if you guys remember, a year ago I did a video regarding Franklin Armory, with a CA7 that they were selling a rifle that they did not have, and nobody got those. And I know some guys writing, oh, I got mine 3 weeks, and I know that they're lying because none of the store have it, because Franklin Armory did not even produce those. But they were charging money for it, and then there was all the lawsuit with California and everything. So it's kind of like they were having a couple of those here and there, but that's it. So please pay attention. I would say, like right now, to kind of stay away from HOWA. To be honest with you guys, if their company cannot take their head out of their ass and actually admit that they don't have product that they actually trying to actually sell people, this is very bad. You cannot do that. This is a fraud. To actually post something online that it's not really exist, and then I call the telephone number on here on their website, and the guy tell me, where do you see it? I say, it's on your website. It's like physically on your website saying 300 PRC, and this is why I ordered it, because you guys posted that it's coming more than a year ago, and then it's still there. So why you guys not taking it down? How stupid is that? Please pay attention. Don't forget like, subscribe, and share. From time to time, I have to push it and do those stupid videos and explain what's going on, because I know like some people gonna bitch around about, oh, why are you even talking about this? Because other people like me put money on it, and I hope that all of them gonna be smart and go right now to the stores and say, give me my money back, this is not coming. And there is a telephone number if you want to call HOWA. You guys are more than welcome. Give them a call. Tell them, okay, what's going on with the rifle. If you order one, if you don't believe me, go get your money back. See you in my next video. This is Eric, Redjet 505. This is a big warning. Bye.